On Realtor, let me just share December 2025 market update. Very quick and very brief. Year 2025 is went a little bit slow, but it's not that bad, by the way. You can say slow, but it's not crash. It's kind of flat.
Property Pulse with Aman Khan.
And GTA reported 62,000 transactions, almost 62,433 transactions basically is happened in a whole year, and the average selling price is $1,067,000. So again, the average price is above $1 million. Let me just give you a little bit more breakdown, step by step. Okay, so just like I said, above million, almost $1,067,735 is the average price for the freehold houses, and benchmark home prices are almost $942,000. And sales in December, how many transactions happened in December? That happened in 3,697 houses, and prices is slipped a little bit, but it's not that bad, by the way. It is in a favor of buyers. Okay, and detached house average price is 1.3 million, and semi-detached 957,000. And it's very interesting number here. I can see here freehold townhouse is more than the semi-detached, 973K. Wow. And condos is 628,000, so almost $628,000 So this is a breakdown for the category wise, the different type of houses. And again, it's the market condition is in a favor of buyers. Inventory is getting better. Is 4.6 month of inventory is sitting now, much better than before. That used to be almost six and a half month or maybe 7 months. Now is 4.6 month. So it is moving towards the balanced market, by the way. And more listing versus sale is called equal to buyer leverage. So there is more listing but less sell. It means the buyer opportunity, guys. So do not take it easy. Do not just leave this opportunity. Anyway, let's move to the next thing. Buyers in power, by the way. More homes are selling below asking than 1 year before. So while in your courts, buyer, you wanna act now, or still you wanna wait? And all kind of condition that before the seller used to say, no, I don't want it. Well, I don't want to see any condition. Now you can give all kind of condition, just like inspection condition, just like a mortgage condition, just like a long closing. Those all the condition you can add in your offer. And yeah, that's another thing. 82% of sales are going on below the asking price. So 82%. So you can imagine the opportunity. And almost, let me just give you the last recap here. The market, the sales came down basically almost 11% less than the last year, which is 2024. And the price wise, almost 5% lower than 24. So it's again, yeah, sales is down, but the price wise is not like that bad. Market is not crash. Okay, it's kind of getting better now. Okay, it's kind of flat compared to last year. Okay, it's getting better. That's pretty much. And my last request to you: do not go. I have something for you very interesting after this episode. You can get a lot of interesting question, a lot of interesting answer.